discuss effective rate. Alright, so what is effective rate? Okay, so effective rate. It is the actual interest or simple interest rate that is equivalent to a compound interest rate is called the effective rate. Alright, so here's the formula. Effective rate is equal to quantity 1 plus r raised to n minus 1. Alright, so E is equal to effective rate of interest, and the R is equal to period interest rate, and the N is equal to the number of periods per year. So let's have an example. So I have here example number 1. Find the effective rate of interest that is equivalent to a 5% rate compounded semi-annually. Okay, so semi-annually. So when we say compounded semi-annually, it is 2. Okay, so let's solve this. So the formula is effective rate is equal to quantity 1 plus r quantity raised to n minus 1, and we have our r as 5% divided by 2 since semi-annually, right? So therefore 5% divided by 2, we have 2.5% or 0.025 in decimal form. Okay, so let's substitute this result. So 1 plus 0.025 raised to 2 minus 1. And we will have 0.0506 in decimal form or 5.06%. So that's it. So that is the effective rate for this example. So let's have another example. Find the effective rate of interest that is equivalent to a 10% rate compounded monthly. So in this case, monthly. It is compounded monthly. Okay, so let's solve it. So the formula is effective rate is equal to 1 plus r raised to n minus 1. Alright, so we know for us to get the r, we will use this 10% rate and compounded monthly. Monthly is equivalent to 12, right? So 10% divided by 12, we will have 0.83% or 0.0083, right? So let us substitute this result in here. So we will have 1 plus 0.00833 raised to 12 minus 1. And we will have 0.104669 or 10.47%. So that's it. That's basic, right? So let's have another example. So this would be our last example for today's video. So find the effective rate of interest that is equivalent to a 3% rate compounded quarterly. So quarterly. The case is quarterly, compounded quarterly. So therefore, again, the formula is effective rate is equal to 1 plus r raised to n minus 1. And we have 3% divided by 4 since it is compounded quarterly. Therefore, R is equal to 0.75% or 0.0075. Alright? So, let's substitute this in here and we will have 1 plus 0.0075 raised to 4 minus 1. And finally, we have 0.030339 or 3.3% as effective rate of this example. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for listening. Have a great one.